You may have heard stories from the past of when computers used to fill an entire room. In those days, computers were run by operators who would manually load programs onto the computer using punch cards or magnetic tape. Since then, computers have become much more powerful and versatile. The job, previously completed by an operator, has now been automated by a single piece of software known as an operating system. In fact, the device you are watching this on right now has an operating system. So what do they actually do? Operating systems control the computer's resources. They work behind the scenes to make sure the hardware is working efficiently to perform the tasks being requested by the user and the software. This includes prioritizing jobs being given to the processor, allocating memory to each process, controlling input and output devices, and protecting the system from unauthorized access. But how does the operating system cope with running more than one program at the same time? Or how does it know what to do with the keyboard and mouse when you plug them in? Read on to find out.